First and foremost, fill the poly bag with an organic soil until the soil almost full in the poly bag. Then take a cutting stem of black sugar cane and place it by lying on the ground in a poly bag. And lastly, water it with enough water. Now I will propagate cassava plant. As usual, prepare a poly bag containing organic soil. After that, take a cutting stem of cassava and poke into the ground diagonally and compress the soil. And last, water it with enough water so that the stem can sprout its first leaf. And done! For the second propagation is through seeds, and I choose beans. The way to propagate is very easy. Just take 2 seeds and place them on the ground. Its position is not too deep and not too top, just medium. And finally, water it with enough water. And done!
Hello guys, my name is Nur Anissa binti Nordin. Today I want to show you about patch budding. There are equipment need to prepare the patch budding. First thing first is the knife, budding tape, but you can also use any transparent tape that is suitable to make budding, such as plastic wrap. Firstly, preparing the buds. The patch containing the bud is cut from the bud stick by 2 horizontal, followed by 2 vertical cuts on each side of the bud with the knife. The bud patch is removed by sliding it off one side. A knife is used to make 2 parallel horizontal cuts about 1/3 distance around the rootstock. The 2 horizontal cuts are connected at each side by vertical cuts. Inserting the bud into the rootstock and wrap the budding with the plastic wrap, but leaving the bud exposed. However, after 3 weeks, patch budding I making unsuccessful. Among the factors leading to unsuccessful of patch budding, for number 1 is direct sunlight. After budding, the tree is exposed to direct sunlight cause the tree is exposed to temperature extreme which can dry out the rootstock and scion, which may cause the budding failure. For number 2 is humidity level. After budding conduct, the weather is changing where the heavy raining has happened during that night and continues for 2 to 3 days at my place. Maybe the patch budding was inserted by water cause extreme humidity levels to either soften and can break down the budding union. For number 3 is uncompatibility, occur localized, which is lack of contact between cambium layers of stalk and scion cause the form the bridge of Gallus did not occur due to the bud union not aligned correctly. Lastly, the tissue can die. For number 4 is need skill to make budding technique needs to person of high skill for budding made successfully.
To do top wedge grafting, the first step is prepare the equipment. The equipment are sketches, parafilm, sharp knife, and transparent plastic. We also can use transparent ice cream plastic. The next step, make a selection of scion. The selection scion must be in a healthy condition and also free from disease. After that, make a selection of rootstock. Cut the selected rootstock. Cut improperly. Next, splitting the rootstock into in half. After the rootstock split into two, put the selected scion. Remove the leaf on the scion. After that, cut the scion like V shape. It must until see the white color. The white color is called as cambium. Combine the scion on the rootstock. Next, tie the combined part using parafilm. Tie with strong and neat to make sure the water not enter. The last step is cover this using plastic ice cream. This plastic also must tie with strong and neat. Make sure water cannot enter.
Border.